Try logging out of your ChatGPT account, then log back in using your email. If that doesn't work, click the three dots at the top right of your browser and open a new tab. In the new tab, type ChatGPT into the browser, then try logging in again. If it's still not working, close the new tab and return to your original ChatGPT window. Click the three dots again and go to Extension. And click the Manage extension. Now, you might see some extensions listed there. If you do, try disable them one by one because some of them might interfere with ChatGPT. In my case, I didn't see any extension listed, but if you have some, they should show up there. Once you disable the extension, go back to ChatGPT and reload the page. That's it. After doing this, your ChatGPT should be working normally again.